Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. None of this be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. All right, so let's talk about the market. Here we are. You can see the market's off about 0.3%. VIX is up 40 cents. Draghi spoke this morning, and apparently it's impossible for him to be any more bullish than, he can't be easiness enough for the market, because no matter what he does, they want more easing. The market is like a easing drug addict. If they don't get their easing, they are unhappy. So, as I look around, I see that you've got the VIX at 1230, and we may back off from there, just because it feels like the market is going to turn around from here. Apple had their big event yesterday. The iPhone 7 apparently was completely underwhelming. Apparently it looks exactly like an iPhone 6, except for your earbuds don't plug in anymore. So they created a product that is more water resistant but less convenient. That's exactly what people want. Because no one's going to lose their earbuds when they're not plugged into their iPhone. I have enough trouble hanging on to my earbuds that are have a big long wire, let alone ones that are wireless. So Apple taking it a little bit on the chin for that one. Banks are up today, at least in Europe. You can see just a little bit there. The transportation stocks continue to show some strength. You can see Delta, American, they continue to be strong. The FANG stocks that were doing really, really well are taking a breather. Doesn't mean it's over, but they are taking a breather. And you can see VIX futures are up a little bit today. All right, so that's a nice little win. Despite the little sell-off, not a lot out of VVIX, not a lot on the horizon. There's not a lot of demand for options right now in terms of protection, and that's holding volatilities lower. Looking at some of the other major pieces, bonds were down more. They're now just down a little. Gold up more, heading toward that major 130 in GLD and well above 1300 in the futures. And oil, with easing comes rallying, and that'll be good for them, which then in turn should help all of XLE. So if oil is going to be up and bonds aren't going to be down that much, I don't see a lot of long-term downside. Maybe we churn here a little more, but I like the market to move higher on the day. We'll see. Volume has been so light, it only takes one person to push the sell or the buy button to move the whole market. Okay, folks. On that, I will wish everybody a good day. If you got questions, you can email me mark@optionpit.com or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good morning.